Hey everyone, Akash this side. So welcome back to the third video of the series AWS S3. If you haven't watched the first two videos, I would strongly suggest to go back and watch them first. If you already have, let's get started. Now here is a cool feature about Amazon S3, which is the static website hosting. Let's say you have a resume or you have a portfolio website which you want to deploy on AWS, but you don't want any servers or any backend for that. You just want to deploy a simple website which is static to showcase your work. You can do that by using the static website hosting which is available for S3 bucket. For that, you have to go to the properties and allow static website hosting from here. You have this option over here down below. You can edit this and you can enable static website hosting. Here you have the option to host a static website or redirect the request for an object. For example, if the request comes to this particular bucket, then it will be automatically redirected to other objects as well. Consider there is a bucket inside which you have an object which is basically outdated or it is pretty old, and now you want to redirect your user to new bucket. So instead of doing the new configuration, what you can do is using this particular option, you can seamlessly redirect whatever requests which are coming to this objects will be forwarded to this particular object. So you don't need to do any added configuration, but you can just use this option to redirect between older and the new bucket and the objects between them. So this is how this option can be helpful. So for now, I'm going with the host a static website here. Here you have to mention what is the file name of your HTML. So my file name is index.html. So I'll keep it this way. The error document is basically if your website is not accessible or something went wrong, you can give the error page as well to display to the user. For now, I'm not going to give any error page. Let's go ahead and save the changes which we have done. Now, as the changes are now done, I'll click on the objects and I'll upload the file. My file name is index.html. So here is the file. I'll click on open and I'll click on upload. If I go to the bucket, you would see index.html is already there. Now again, go to the properties here. And if you go to static website hosting, you would see it has provided you with the endpoint. I'll copy this endpoint and let's see, we are able to see our HTML. Awesome. Now you're able to see whatever you have in your index.html. And that's how you can turn your S3 bucket into fully functional static website. No servers, no hassle, just upload and go live. Pretty cool, right? Well, in our next video, we will explore S3 versioning and replication and how to protect your data from accidental deletion. So if you like what you just saw, make sure you subscribe to my channel and I'll see you in the next one.